All right, good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today, I'm going to be heading over to a train station with a beautiful view of the ocean. So right now, I am here at Odawara Station in Kanagawa Prefecture. Now I'm going to be transferring to the JR line, head over to this train station with a nice view of the ocean. This station is called Nebukawa, and this station actually kind of famous with the Japanese people too, to have a nice view of the ocean. It's just that most people wouldn't take the time to come here. It's about an hour and a half ride from Tokyo Station. So today I'm gonna be walking around this area while showing you good views, and at the end I'm gonna eat at this restaurant that's nearby the ocean area. This is actually not my first time coming here. This is my second time. The first time I came here in 2023 of October. I came here for fun. I wasn't filming a video or anything. I heard that this place had a really nice view of the ocean. What's also interesting about the station is that there are monkeys. Wild monkeys inhabited this area. I have a genuine question. Do these people not use like Google Translate or anything? Google Translate may not have the most accurate translations, but I don't think they'll have like spelling errors like this, right? So there are two rules according to the sign. The first rule is don't feed, but I have nothing to worry about the feeding part because I have nothing good in my bag except cameras. I don't think monkeys eat cameras. And the second rule is don't get close. If monkeys try to attack you, calm down and leave there immediately. Look how scary the monkey looks. It's like a titan. As for the timetable, it comes at least once every 20 minutes. Sometimes once every 30 minutes. This is also an unmanned station, but they have the IC card reader. Oh, this is like the memorial area because the station was involved in an unfortunate incident during the Great Kanto earthquake. On September 1st, 1923, just before noon, a local train stopped by the station, and during that moment, the Great Kanto earthquake hit. The shaking caused a huge landslide that buried the station and pushed the station, platform, and nearby houses down a steep 45-meter slope into the ocean. 7 of the train's 8 cars sank into the sea. Only the last car stayed on the tracks. Around 112 people on the train and about 200 people living nearby were killed. This is still remembered as one of the worst train incidents in Japan caused by a natural disaster. This is the entrance and the exit of the station. There's only one. It's really nice because you can see the ocean view from here too. This is also a very dangerous area to be in when an earthquake happens because it's right next to the ocean. The tsunami level, 51.5 meters. Okay, so the first place I'm gonna go to is a place where I can see a nice view of the bullet train and the Tōkaidō main line. I think I have to go down here. Let's go check it out. Whoa, what the heck was that? What is that? You can see how big the bridge is from here. So this is one area where you can see the bullet train. I can't go past here because it's property of JR Tōkaidō, I think. But a bullet train should be passing by here. I'm going to wait until it comes. I came here last time too, and I don't remember waiting this long just for the train to come. What's going on? Oh. Nice, nice. Maybe I can wait for the one going to the other side. Whoa, this one's super fast. What the heck? Now the next spot I want to go to is somewhere I can see both the bullet train tracks and the bridge. Oh wow, this is so nice. What the heck? This will be such a nice place to take a video as long as you wait for the bullet train to pass by. And then the relaxing sound of the river. This is perfect. Whoa, look at that. Oh! Ah! Can you see it? Oh, and then the Tōkaidō Line on the other side. Too bad the sakura is not blooming here. That would be so nice if it was. I think the cherry blossoms in the Tokyo area are supposed to fully bloom in April. It's March 26th right now. So you have to wait a week or two. Wow. It's also 24 degrees today. It's the highest temperature since autumn, I think. So it's really hot. It was like 10 to 6 degrees a couple weeks ago. I think, yeah, this is it. Over here it is. This is where you can see both the Tōkaidō train pass by and the Tōkaidō bullet train. Sometimes if the timing is right, both of them will come at the same time. The Tōkaidō Line comes once every 20 to 30 minutes. The bullet train comes way more often. Oh, that's the Sapphire Odoriko. Well, it's hard to see it. This one is the premium version of Odoriko Express. All the seats are green car. There's also like private rooms that you can stay in. This only comes like a couple of times per day, so that was really cool to see. Okay, so the next view spot I will be going to is more of like an ocean view spot. And it's a 20-minute walk from here. Yeah, I don't think I walked around this area before. So it's pretty exciting. Go up here. It is. It's telling me to... Oh, it's kind of interesting. Oh, wow. It's like a very mysterious vibe road over here compared to the other roads I walked around in this area. I don't know what that sound is. Wow, this is arguably a nicer view. I can see the ocean better from here compared to the other side. And you can also see the bullet trains if you want to. Yeah, I can stay here forever, so I gotta keep going. And it's been a while since I walked up a hill this long. It's pretty much a hike at this point. I wish it was colder today. I wish it was 6 degrees today, not 23. I didn't sign up for this. That was a hike. I don't care what you say. That was a hike. That was wild. Okay, so the good news is I'm 5 minutes away and I just have to walk along this road. Oh crap, I think I'm here. Whoa! What a view. Maybe there. I'll go more over there. All right, there you go. This is a better view. A relaxing, calming view of the ocean. It's a bit cloudy, so you can't see much over there, but you can still enjoy this area over here. Look at how calm the waves are. So this place is a really nice place to just chill and enjoy the view. You don't have to worry about anyone. People can just pass by you over here. Cars can just pass by you over here. You don't have to worry about getting hit by them. And yeah, you can see the ocean over here. And then the Tōkaidō Line over here. Okay, now I want to go eat a really early dinner. But the problem is I don't know how to get down. I think that's the restaurant I want to go to. And it's known for seafood and having a really nice ocean view spot. Okay, I'm looking at Google Maps right now. It's saying it's a 17-minute walk from here. But the good thing is that it's probably mostly downhill. It's telling me head down here. All right, Google Maps. I trust you. Are you sure, Google Maps? Are you sure this is the right way? There's like this. What is this? What even is this? Is that a rooster? It's like guarding this stairs area. I don't know what to do. Oh crap. Bro. I don't know if you're a threat or not. Oh. Get away from me. Oh no, it's coming. Get away. No, what the Oh, it's coming. Stop. Oh, it's coming. Oh, what the was that? No, you, dude. Oh, that scared me. I don't know what to do. Bro, can you just like let me go down there? It's like making sure no one passes by. Bro, what did I do to you? Just let me pass by. Oh no. Okay, if you keep going down there, it's fine. Don't go back up, okay? Please, just go down. I'm just gonna wait here. If this bird goes all the way there, then I'll go. I don't want to get chased downhill. That's kind of dangerous. It's too close to the edge. It can chase me anytime. I don't even know. Is this a threat? Oh, it's going back up. I think it's going back up. No, yes, good. Go down. Oh, please don't come here. Bro, you're too fat to fit in these fans. Get the frick out of here. Oh, it's too high. Holy shit. Ah! It's chasing. Holy shit. It flies. It jumps. Okay, I gotta get out of here. This bird is a threat. Oh, it's chasing me still. So that bird is so aggressive. Is that normal here? I didn't know it would chase you like that. Okay, excuse me for being a wimp and being scared and stuff. I get freaked out easily. And I've never been in a situation where I get chased by, let's say that was a rooster, an aggressive rooster. I can't just like pass by it. It will chase you and peck you. Oh, this is traumatic. I never thought it would like fly up just to chase me. I did nothing to it. What the heck? I don't know what to do now. I don't know how to get down. Just to be safe, I think I'm gonna just call a taxi to take me down. I tried to call the taxi company that's nearby, or supposedly nearby, but they said this place is too far away for a taxi to come. So I have to find a way to go down, unfortunately. It's showing me the alternative route now. Okay, I turn left here. Yeah, I hope I don't see any stupid animals anymore. I just recently talked about me being scared of pigeons. Now I'm scared of roosters. Oh, I wish there was a taxi. I wish there was a taxi. I saw Google Maps right now and saying that I'm really close to the road. Oh, there's a railroad crossing here. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Crap. Okay, I gotta get back here. Ooh. There's quite a distance between the tracks and the crossing gate. It's coming from the right side. Oh, it's the cargo train. Now I can cross. Here too. Oh, there it is. I'm finally here. Okay, I just needed some time to calm down. The adrenaline rush is real. But I'm here at the restaurant I wanted to go to. It's called Shokudo Dan. Alright, never mind. It says today it's gonna close at 3 p.m. today. That's unfortunate. So since the place I wanted to go to is closed, I will go to the soba restaurant that's next to it. This place is good too. I actually went here when I came here for the first time. And the restaurant opens at 5 p.m. so perfect timing. All right, I finished eating. It was really good. It didn't disappoint. It just felt weird eating a bird after being chased by one. Okay, I think now will be a good time for me to head back to the station. All right, I'm finally back at Nebukawa Station. Thank God. Usually I go to these places to show you like low-key places that you could possibly visit if you have time. But I don't know if I want to recommend you this place. It's nice. If you come here during a nice weather and the sky is blue, you get to see the nice ocean. I asked the staff at the soba restaurant if you see wild pigeons like appearing out of nowhere. He said no. And he was like, maybe there was just that one unlucky time. And I would like to hope so. All right, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I kind of didn't enjoy this one. But algorithm thinks you'll like this video too. So feel free to check it out. All right, bye-bye.